What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This morning we're going out, me and Jordan are going out fishing, and I made a purchase, and this is probably the perfect time to try it out. I bought the new DJI Mini 3 Pro drone. I've always wanted a drone. I've never flown one or anything before, so we're gonna give it a shot. What a better time to try it out than on the lake. This is not waterproof. Yeah, we're gonna see what kind of footage we can get with this. Hopefully we get some good footage. Look how small this thing is. It folds up and it pretty much fits in your pocket. Look at that. Tiny. It's pretty impressive.